Hey guys, what's up with my channel? That's not English at all by any means. But anyways, Kristen's visiting.
Hello.
So we did her makeup today. It's a lot of fun. I like how it came out. Beautiful. I used the Norvina palette, which I have never used my channel before, so thank you for letting me use your face. Anyways, please thumbs it up and subscribe, and let's go to the video.
Yay!
Yay!
This feels like some serious hair.
That one like sheds like crazy.
Well, it feels funny.
It was $1, alright?
Oh.
It's a whole $1. For primer, we're going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. You're so tan. I can't get over
I
it.
don't even look that. I look normal.
I look normal. I don't look normal. I look old. So we're going to use Kristen's Dirty Nasty
The
foundation.
keeps coming off. It's not on, like it doesn't stay on.
Okay.
See? It's everywhere.
CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in the shade 710. What shade is that? Classic Ivory.
You got me that for Christmas.
You might want to toss this at some point. It's like a year old.
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
That's all I got. Or was it for my birthday?
It was for Christmas.
Okay.
It was for your
I
birthday.
don't buy things.
I know you don't. This is a nice shade for you, actually. Look, we're doing this today. You're doing this today. To set her face, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to be using these two shades mixed together with a brush. This brush. That's weird.
Just, one has 734, one has 159, and then the other one has 128, and then 3.8 thousand. Everything else has under 100.
But it has to
That's
have me and you in it.
Stupid.
Yeah.
Well, the one that has 700 is just you.
Oh, really?
It's the
Oh, the
graffiti one, yeah.
To tell you. Like your actual
I forgot to talk about it too. The only color I had an issue with was, I'll show you later.
So I'm going to use the, oh crap, you're tan. I'm going to use this one to kind of like carve out her cheeks and then go in with this one to go over it.
Sure. I'll give it a shot.
Sure, you're just not my color.
There was only one color that was a darker one that I had. It was weird. I had to sit there and blend it out.
What palette?
Luke said he wanted to be part of the video.
Sure he does. So I'm going to use the Morphe Brushes 9B Blush Palette. Looks like so. I'm going to use this one over here. And maybe mix it with this one. Oh yeah. That looks nice. Then for highlight, I'm going to use the Tarte Tartiste Pro Glow To Go palette. I'm going to be using this middle shade in the middle, oh lord, called Gleam. Nope, called Burst, I'm sorry. To spray her face with the Glam Glow Glow Setter. And while this is drying, I'm going to do a little bit more highlight, just to make it pop.
Ooh! Kitty cat? She's always bad.
So for this first set of colors, we take the Dare to Create by Morphe 39A for my transition shades. It looks like so. It's humongous. So I'm going to take this shade over here and put it in the transition, or put it in the Grace for transition. I know I'm speaking English today. With a brush.
With a brush.
Okay. So for the star of the show, we take the Norvina palette by ABH. Looks like
Oh.
so.
There's a brush.
There's a brush. It's soft, it's soft. And I'm gonna take, let's see, Incest and
Incest? Or
no, Incest.
oh, okay. I was gonna say.
Incest.
Ooh.
And put that in the crease as well. Holy pottery.
Always is.
But they have nice stuff sometimes.
I like that palette. It has a little bit of everything.
That's pretty. Oh, I like this color. I'm going to take Eccentric, which is a shade over here, and blend everything together. I have an idea, I just have to get to it, I guess.
By itself, or did it come with it?
No, by itself. That was a while ago. So I think I'm going to take Summer, which is the shade right here, and put it on the lid. It's kind of like the picture you sent me, but not anywhere close to it. I'm gonna use my finger actually. Oh my god, how buttery that is. Woo! Crap.
Tap my finger.
Tapping it off over here.
Whatever's coming on.
Look at your eyelid.
Mm.
Crap. That's very intense. I just need to think over there. I have to think about a little bit. I want to add, let's see. I want to take Dazzling, which is a shade right here. Yeah, there we go. And see how it looks on top of it. It's like a taupey, you guys cannot see, it's like a taupey color. You're good. I put it just in the center of the lid. Just to give like, I don't know if you're going to tell the difference. I can.
I can.
I like it. I'm going to take the first brush with nothing on it and blend this out very carefully. I like it. I'll clean out the fallout from under your eyeballs.
Yeah.
We're going to take this brush here. And it's making a mess. You just touch it.
What? It's going away now.
Valery. It worked fine.
See? Everything is fine.
See how it is? Alright, so for your lower lash line, I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to take this brush. And I'm going to take Incense
I don't like that.
and put it, I don't either, and put it on her lower lash line. So look at it. If you're going to blink, let me know.
It's kind of hard. I'm just going to blink whenever I blink.
brush, I don't think. No, I don't like this brush.
And more sensitive or something.
I'll leave your eyeballs alone. Just a little bit of something at the bottom. Now for some mascara. I only have 500. Where they all go?
I know, I don't see any.
I have a ton. This is the Essence Volume Stylist 10 or 18-hour curl and hold mascara. Boom. Do you trust me?
Boom?
Yeah.
It's called Boom?
No, it's not called Boom.
Oh.
It's called that.
that was weird.
Trust me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I really like that on you. I like it don't curl up.
Mm-hmm.
See? $5 at the store. And ta-da!
Yay!
Yeah, it's so nice. I won't do lipstick. I don't like lip color, so.
What?
So I won't do lipstick. I don't like lip color. I can't talk like crap. I will not do your lips.
Well, if you want to, you
Because I
can.
don't.
It's up to you. It's not my shit. Oh, sorry. You have to bleep that one out.
I'll use what I use on me. I think you'd like it. All this stuff. I'm gonna use the Sephora Oil Infusion, my favorite lip gloss and iced coffee.